See this handle? I'm taking that out. I'm almost positive I've showed you, but I'll show you again. That wasn't my podcast. That's what we're doing. So, now that we already have it out, my tools, and I think there's only one screw holding this thing in, which is right here. Let's confirm that, because it looks like a 7mm. That stays up. Nope, it's a Phillips. This has got to pop out because it looks like it's overlapping. So let's pull this out and make it fly. Yeah, there's nothing over here. So we're gonna do that mirror too, but let's first do the door panel. I grabbed from here. Typically, you can feel it. It's kind of tight, but I just pulled from this corner. Pulled, and pulled, and we're gonna go upward. So up and over, up and over. And there we have, here's the doors handle switch thingy. And let's squeeze this and see what we got going on. There we go, just a squeeze. Right in the center right there. And pull out. We're gonna get the casualties, the ones who are left behind, and put them back. You see? They came out. So we gotta get this one out. Just pry it out with a tool, I'll show you. See? Easy peasy. Now, we get the other one that fell on the floor, which is this one. Put them back in, and there you have it. Is that the part number? Not sure. Is that the part number? That's the part number. So let's get these 4 screws out and replace this thing as if we have a new one. Got it? Good. After the 4 screws, let's see if it pops out. Is it? Can it? Does it? Let's see. So what I thought the 5th screw was actually holding in the handle, it's actually holding it in the actual bracket. So there you go. See? So it's 5 screws. I'll show you. Let's put it back. Look, this thing's like a perfect outline of it. You just put it straight back. There you go. Let's put all 5 and I'll show you which I already showed you. See what I mean? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And right back in. Now we have a new one, but it would be kind of cool if you painted. So let's put it back, and very simple, reverse order. Hold it with your leg, plug this thing in. We can find it. If we can find it, here we go. Found it. This locks back in as such. So there you have it. This goes over, up and over, remember? Up and over. So there you go. Like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.